Just found a sick, ooh, nice. Just found the sick F12 TDF. And looks like inside the dealer there's, what is that? 812 with maybe TaylorMade or something? Kind of hard to see. There's also a 599 GTO. And obviously a Speciale Aperta. Woohoo. Super sick. Also got the green 296 and the green Pista that was seen at Monterey Car Week this year. And looks like a FF, the green collection. Oh, look, a GT3. Nice. All right, so what did we just spot right here? Very hype spot. Come on, dude, look at all this riffraff. We got a an LFA. Oh my God. Holy smokes. Damn. That thing is rare color for MC20. 750. Last time there was a Revuelto. CO6. Real 930. Sick. 675 LT. Damn. Cool, rare spot. A 997 GT3 RS, 0.2 GT3 RS. I believe that's the designation for these things. There we go, that looks better. What a sick car. Got like a F8, some Carrera, I didn't see which trim. The valet at the Mayborn. There's a 720 G-Wagon. Not much else. And that was loud. Yeah, you know, I've seen 3 of those identical Maybachs today in the identical spec in different places, and it can't be the same one, so there must be some event or something, I don't know. Pretty odd. It's got a white SF90. Logo and F40 in there. Cool. Looks like they got tired of paying a water bill, so they replaced it with lights that look like water splashing. That's kind of funny. All right, let's do one last check through here, see if anything cool showed up before I call it a night. Okay, get a yellow Turbo S. It's kind of cool. What else? Okay, GT3. Wait a minute. That's not RS. It's just the GT3. Okay, GT3. 992. What was that? What is that? DB11 DBS? Yeah, not too much going on tonight. So that'll probably be the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. White Pro Sangue proof shot. Oh my God, dude, that looks terrible. I promise there's a Pro Sangue right there. White.